Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Clapper app live not working. So if you're currently facing that exact same issue and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Clapper app, and instead we're going to go into our settings app on our phone. So go into your settings app, and in here we're just going to scroll down until we can find the button where it says general. So click on general, as you can see, scroll down in here again, and then click on storage. And now what you're going to do, we're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load in here, just so you know. So we're just going to wait for this page to completely load, and when it's done, we're going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner. So it's just going to actually take a couple of more seconds right here, and then now click on the blue search symbol in the top right corner, search for Clapper, and click on the app in here. Then click on Offload app, and once again click on Offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for this to completely load, and then click on the blue button here again. Now what you're going to do, you're going to wait for this one to completely load in here, because what will happen actually, as you can see, it says loading now on my Clapper app, and that means that the app itself is being automatically updated to the absolute latest version, which you need to be able to do to be able to potentially fix this bug. Now when it's done, just go back into the app, and hopefully now it's fixed for you.